Hey guys, well, a little bit of snow came last night. And what's this thing? Yeah, my Fusion's in for the 1.6 liter recall on the heads. Sounds like Ford made a crappy design on the head gasket, so they had it since Wednesday, and then they finally give me this loaner yesterday, a 17 Escape. It's actually a nice car. I'll take it. Hey! Awesome. Got me that stupid mouse. Nice. Dad put it up there. How the hell did he get it all the way down there now? Oh, squirrel did. See it? Check it out. Yeah, squirrel got him. Because we've been finding the insulation coming off on the firewall of the truck, which is bull. And remember, I think I showed you guys on top of the radiator on this, you can see where he chews the seed. Let's face it, guys, I feed birds. I mean, there's always crap on the ground. If you're gonna feed birds, guess what? It's gonna be mice. So, anyway, this was supposed to be a cold start of the John Deere here. Do some cleaning. So, but got to show you at least. Yeah, that mouse. I actually seen him. I was plowing a little bit when it was warm, try to get the ice off. And I seen him hop out. He run out of the truck. Pissed me off. I'm like, great, we got one living in it. So I mentioned it to Dad. He mentioned putting the traps up. And we just did it last night. So that's the other thing with the truck. The truck needed AC compressor. Has its own belt, so the idler pulley on that one bad, and every once in a while make a hell of a squeal. So that wasn't that bad, but did it yet Friday night so we could go to get a tractor yesterday with it safer, because I don't have my car in tow if I needed to. Alright, gents, enough yapping. Let's fire her up. I checked the oil and stuff last night. See, I wish I had a separate choke, because I'm trying to get it to idle down. There we go. Let that warm up. Now I want to see if we got a mouse in the truck or not. Let's see. I think he's got his snow brush in the back. I usually use the snow brush I got, but well, it's at the dealership. Yeah, there's video on this later. That's what we went to pick up yesterday, as you can see. Either the original owner or he says he was. But some of the things on it makes me think otherwise. Sorry. Got you guys seasick this morning. Don't got a lot. It's like a couple inches. This one was, looks like the mouse came to me first. So there we go. Alright, put this right in the bed of the truck. I'll tell him when he gets out later. There. Yeah, see, it's a nice little truck. It's got a 2-liter, the bigger turbo than mine. Got some scoot. You know what they say about rentals though, they're the fastest cars in the world. And that's pretty much true. Because you'll do things with that, you won't do something else. Alright guys, I'm going to restart the video for some snowblower action.